Students, in this video, we will discuss types of functions. In your previous class, we learned three types of functions. In this video, we will learn another three types of functions. The first one is constant function. For every A belongs to capital A. That means for all elements in capital A, there exists a constant C belongs to capital B such that ordered pair A comma C belongs to F. F is a function that contains all ordered pairs A comma C. A is the element of capital A domain, or f of a equal to c, where c is a constant. For all elements of a, there exists a image c. Then function from a to b is called constant function. What is constant function? Constant function is a function whose output value is same for every input value. Constant function is a f is called a constant function if for every input value there exists only one output value. Such type of function is called constant function. Example, if f equal to set of ordered pair 2 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 3, ordered pair 6 comma 3, ordered pair 9 comma 3, is this f constant function? Yes. Why? All the first elements are belongs to the domain set and the second element is belongs to codomain. Here the second element is only 3, same number 3. So all values of all inputs of domain have only one output. All values of A are mapped to only one element in the codomain. So this is called the function. Given function is constant function. Another example. If f is a constant function, f of 3 equal to 8, then f of 5 equal to how much? It is also 8. Why? Given that f is a constant function. For a constant function, all input values have same image. So f of 3 equal to 8, f of 5 is equal to 8, f of 6 equal to 8. See the diagram. A is the domain, B is the codomain. It is given that f is a constant function. 3 is mapped to 8. Then automatically we can say that 5 is also mapped to 8 and 6 is also mapped to 8 since f is a constant function. This is about constant function. The next one is equal functions. F from A to B and G from A to C are two functions. Then those two functions are said to be equal functions if they should be defined on same domain, and f of a equal to g of a for every a belongs to capital A. That means what? The domain of the two functions must be same. The domain of f is a, here the domain of g is also a. So those two functions must be defined on same domain, and f of a equal to g of a. What is f of a equal to g of a? This is f of a means image of f image of A, and g of A means g image of A. That means f image of A must be equal to g image of the element A for every element in A. That means range of f is equal to range of g. Here the range of f is set A, B, C, and range of g is A, B, C. Range of g is also A, B, C. Check the diagrams. F from A to B is a function. So 1 is mapped to A and 2 is mapped to B and 3 is mapped to C. Here also the domain is same. A contains 1, 2, 3 elements. Domain is same. Here A is having 3 elements. Here also A is having 1, 2, 3. But the domain is not same. Here the domain is B. B contains the elements A, B, C, and C contains the elements A, B, C, D. But the range is same. Why? 1 is mapped to A, 2 is mapped to B, and 3 is mapped to C. Here also in 1 is mapped to A, and 2 is mapped to B, and 3 is mapped to C. In G image of 1 is A, and F image of 1 is also A. These two are equal. Image of 1 is A and image of 1 is A. So both the images are equal. And the next one is image of 2 is B, F image of 2. This is F image of 2 is B, G image of 2 is also B, and F image of 3 is C, and G image of 3 is also C. Both the images are same for each element in the domain. So such type of functions are called equal functions. Here F and G are equal because domain of the two functions are equal and the range is same. Set of ABC and set ABC. So these two are called equal functions. The next one is identity function. F from A to A is said to be identity function. If for every x belongs to A, then f of x is equal to x. F is a function from A to A. That means here domain and codomain both are same. If you want to define identity function, then the domain and codomain must be same. And f of x is equal to x. What is this? What is the meaning of f of x is equal to x? Here I have taken x as input and got x, the same x value as output. So we can define identity function in this way. Identity function is a function that always returns the same value. Identity function is a function that always returns the same value that was used as its input. Whatever the input used, you got the same value as output. Let us observe this diagram. F is a function from A to A to A. That means domain and codomain both are same. 2 is mapped to 2. That means F image of 2 is 2. 3 image of 3 is 3. Image of 5 is same. That means input and output values both are same. And this is about identity function. Thank you.